Hello, good morning everyone. Today is Tuesday, so 2024 April 23rd. So today will be covered pretty much of stocks by the research houses. Let's starting with the disclaimers. All the stock mentioned in this video is serving as learning purposes. It's not buying, selling call for the viewer or subscriber. Let's starting with the overnight US market. You can see that overnight US market pretty much rebounding in a greeneries. Okay, Nasdaq up by 1.1%, S&P up by 0.8, Dow Jones up by 0.6%. For the past week until now, I believe this one would be first stage for the rebounding. See any chances to trend higher or not. So we can see that US stock future trade water with top tech earning on taps. So there's nothing much we can check on. Dow Jones rises as Nvidia rebounding, Tesla dive on price cut. So let's check out on the charting. So you can see on these things. So it's now trading at the first early stage of the rebound support level, which is previous high, the 1, 2, 3, and the third previous low level. So it was serving as a supporting over here, and then on the candlesticks wise, this could be considering as a bullish hirami for the Nasdaq stocks. Anyhow, we still need to monitor for the Nasdaq technology stocks. Even though there are some stocks that rebounding, but there are still some stock that is still on the starting stage of the downtrendings. So anyhow, we check on the S&P 500 at this moment is rebounding. Yep, so far so good. Dow Jones is continue for the previous day rebounding trending. So far so good. There's nothing much I can talk about. Let's check on some technology stocks. Yep. So the Apple is now on the bullish rally. Yes, it's now slightly below the major support level. See whether it can stand back for the major support level or not. So the Tesla is still on the super downtrending. still continuously jump down because the price cut in Tesla. So Netflix, yep, Netflix seems to be after the previous day jump up, gap down right there, is still on the bearish sentiment at this moment. Okay, Amazon, yep, Amazon so far so good. I would say this trending, you can see that on the previous day, whenever it touched to the 50 days moving average, it seems to be rebounding with the bullish rally right over there. And this round is also the same. See whether it will rebounding from this range or not. So Microsoft, yep, pretty much similar trending with the Amazon. So let's check on some others. Maybe you can check on Meta. It seems to be still on the sideways ranging at this moment. It haven't dropped the support level at this moment. Support level will be somewhere around 480 I would say. So seems like the downtrending haven't starting yet, but the pullback is starting already. So we can see whether it will come slower below 480 or not. Okay, by this week lah. So any other stock we can check on? Maybe we can check on Google. Still on the healthy uptrending, I would say. Alphabet, yep. So we may go through some of the commodities. Oil price is now pulling back again. This peak period last 2 days it does rebounding after the war has been escalating for the tension right over there. So gold is pulling back from the 2004 level. It seems to be rejections 2004. So we still need to monitoring but the bearish candlestick for this one seems to be an early signal to traders and to take some profit out. And we check on some other couples. Future is still on the super uptrending at this moment. It already tested the resistance level back into when? Let me check for a while. Well, this one was back to June 2022. Of course, there was earlier stronger resistance on top. At current stage, it seems to be pulling back temporarily. And we check on the soybean, is seems to be seeking for the support at current stage. From here, I can without turn on any indicators like MACD or stochastic, I can tell that it's already in bullish divergence in soybean. I can tell that because MACD, all those things is lagging. So from the price charting itself, it's already told that it's already in a bullish divergence at this current stage. So soybean, we will need to monitor is potentially seeking for the reboundings from recent low stage. Yep. And we check on the we come back to the Malaysia market, KLCI overnight is super good. I would say is overnight closing at up 12 point, closing at 1559 level at resistance 1560. I would say it seems to be is going to breaking higher range. Okay, if you check on a lot of stocks, has been pulling back for the healthy consolidation. Is expecting for the individual stock. Is not everyone, but most of it is going to trending higher in the local Malaysia market. Let's check on the stock pick by the research house. Now, first one by the M Bank would be Guangchong GCB. Guangchong Berhad. So overnight trending is still on strong trend. Volume 7 million share traded, closing at 267. Stop loss level given was 238. So far seems to be too large to me. I mean, I would say if you entry for this one, you may need to adjust it higher, maybe 243 level as a stop loss level, or you will need to wait for pullback for a better entry. Okay, for a better entry where you can better risk reward ratio right over there. And the target given was 3 ringgit and 320. I'm gonna share this charting in the Telegram and WhatsApp channels. You can find the link at the description level. So the next stock pick would be by CGS is Kim Lun. So you can see that a lot of stock is now trending upside. Starting from last year July. Okay, last year July onward. Okay, so you can see the trending for the Kim Lun is so strong right over there. This peak the last 2 days ago was selling pressure for 1 million share that traded, and anyhow yesterday it managed to taking charge back by the bullish buyers, but the volume seems to be not so big. Anyhow, the trending is moving upside, closing at 107. Stop loss level given is 96 cents. Seems to be acceptable so far acceptable. Plus minus about 11% stop loss level, and the target given is 115 and 122. Is somewhere around there. And you can see that this one is a big curve of the U shape right over there. Is pretty much, I would say, healthy for Kim Lun construction stocks. Yep. So the next stock would be Fiamma Holdings. Okay, you can see this one is also healthy consolidation sideways over there. So it has been sideways consolidation for about 1 year. This one I would say is pretty much healthy lah. And then it push up, then pull back, push up, pull back. So over there, they are overnight closing 106 with a volume 1.2 million share traded. Stop loss level given is 99 cents, and the target given is 110 and 116. Pretty much standard of the support resistance. Yep, you can stick to their trading plan. Yep. Next research house will be by UOB Serum. Yes, Ceramic Technologies. Okay, this one overnight closing is 20 cents. They are calling for the buy is based on the technical buy breakout on the 21st and 21 cent. meaning that it has to break 21 cent. You may buy two one half, something like that, and then your stop loss level given is 18 cent. 18 cents seems to be too big if you are entry to one half, because you shouldn't base on 20 cents to just for the stop loss level. You got what it means, right? I mean, if you are playing for the breakout, you need to adjust your stop loss higher. Okay, so the target given is 26 and 29 cent. Okay, so the next stock would be Hoa Tai Industry. So overnight closing 6.2 half. This one is a trend changing pattern, somewhere around there. Is expecting to trading higher. Stop loss level given is 5.4 half. 5.4 half seem to be more than 12%, right? Stop loss level. If you okay, again, I mean, you need to manage your control your risks to be minimizing it, the maximum risk you're taking for every trade. Short term trading, maximum by 10%. Okay, so and the stop loss seems to be too large, and target given is 7.3 half and 7.9 half. Okay, pretty much standard for the resistance level. Stop loss seems to be too large for this one. And the next would be Ritz Counter Central. The Ritz Central Ritz. So it's on the downtrending. So I believe this one they are playing for the technical breakout for the 81 cent, because this one is within a trading range or sideways trading for how many months. We can check on the how many months is around 4 months plus. Okay, so they are expecting to break out 81 cent. You can buy in at 8.1 half using a buy stop limit order in the Maybank platform or apps. And stop loss level given is 7.6 half. 7.6 half seems to be too large if you're playing for the breakout 81 cent. I believe you need to adjust it slightly higher, maybe 7 half or 7.7. And the target given would be 8.9 half and 9.4 half. Okay, right there. So anyhow, I don't like the downtrend stock. So there are a lot of stock covered by today. You can choose in between. So the next research house will be by Maybank Investment Bank. The first one will be Uchi Technology. So healthy uptrending, healthy pulling back. There's a swing right there overnight, closing at 390. Stop loss level given is 3.7 half, which is around how many cent? 1.5 cent only. Stop loss level acceptable, and the target is 412, followed by 438. 412 and 438, slightly higher right there. I'm gonna share the charting later on in the channels. And the next stock would be VS Industry. So overnight closing, there's a swing play right over there, price action. So X7 half, stop loss level given is 81 cent, acceptable. Target given is 955 and 102. Yep. So the next stock is LGMS. Overnight closing 109. Again, it's a swing play with the volume coming in over there. And the stop loss level is 99 cent, acceptable. Target is 119 and 134. Yep. So the last research house covered by today would be by RHP, Cloud PT, CloudPoint Technology. So this one is newly listed stocks back in last year. So this one I believe is playing for the swing, potential swing. They are playing for the breakout at 64 cent, meaning that you are buying in 6.4 half, somewhere around there, and the target stop loss level is 5.8. 5.8 still acceptable, and the target 6.8 and 7.4. If you are taking for second target, then acceptable for the risk reward ratio right over there. And the last stocks would be HSHEB. So this one is playing for the swing and bounce off the 200-day moving average right over there. You can see the swing. The red color is 200-day EMAs, and overnight closing 99 cents. They are playing for the swing to break the recent high, the last past few days highs, which is 102, meaning that you are buying in at 103 level, somewhere around there. And the stop loss level given is 855, seems to be too large. Yes, too large, more than 10% around there. Although the swing, you put it, the stop loss level is at the top lowest level of the swing. Although it seems to be acceptable, but the risk reward is unacceptable. Okay, because you are buying for the breakout, you need to adjust it, your stop loss level higher right over there. And the target given would be 109 and 120. Okay, I believe this all has been pretty much covered for the today's stock picks by the research houses. If you're interested to open an account with Maybank, you can check the link in the description to show there's a video guidance to guide you through how to open an account with Maybank Investment through the official Maybank to your website. So it's reliable platform right over there, and make sure you key in the promo code. So I will contact you after when your account has been generated later on. 如果有兴趣开户口，可以在下面的细节找到我的视频链接，教你去怎样去 Maybank 的网站开启股票交易投资户口了哦。So Maybank 是全马最大的银行，所以是平台是相当于安全的。所以that's all for today. Happy trading. Goodbye.